Cutting into cubes, mastering a key cooking technique. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used cooking phrase, cut into cubes. Understanding this phrase is not just about language, but also about diving into the culinary world. So, let's get started and chop. Cut into cubes is a phrase often found in cooking recipes. It means to slice an item, usually food, into square-shaped pieces. This technique is essential in preparing ingredients for various dishes. The size of the cubes can vary depending on the recipe. They can be large, medium, or small. Why do recipes ask for ingredients to be cut into cubes? The main reasons are even cooking and visual appeal. Cubed ingredients cook uniformly, making sure every piece is perfectly done. Plus, they add a neat, organized look to the dish. 1. Choose the right knife. A sharp chef's knife is ideal. 2. Prepare the ingredient. Wash and peel it if necessary. 3. Make initial cuts. Slice the ingredient into flat, even slices. 4. Stack and slice again. Stack these slices and cut them into strips. 5. Final cuts. Turn the strips and cut across to form cubes. Keep the sizes consistent. This ensures even cooking. Practice makes perfect. Don't worry if your first attempts aren't perfect. Safety first. Keep your fingers away from the blade. I hope this video helps you understand what cut into cubes means in the culinary context. It's a simple yet important technique in cooking. Remember, practice is key, and soon you'll be dicing like a pro. Happy cooking and happy learning!